In primetime news this evening, desperate crews still searching for St. Andrew boy who went missing in Wednesday's flood rains. On edge, Harborview residents fearing the worst as heavy rains threaten their homes. And Kingston's mayor demand action against anyone involved in what he calls terrorist attack on a state-owned JUTC.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, the tourism sector is still assessing the potential impact of the Thomas Cook collapse on Sunday. Well, there's some good news. So far, industry leaders say Jamaica should not experience any major fallout. I'll give you more on that and other business stories later.
And Karen Madden, finally. Doha, what's happening?
All right, well, it's a sigh of relief for the national junior record holder. Even before Doha starts, who has escaped a doping ban. We'll tell you all about that and Doha later in this bulletin.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the proposal from the Justice Minister for a law to hold dog owners criminally liable if their animal hurts or kills a person?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.